Okay, welcome back, guys. So this is another Sunday where we discuss what the market will do for us. So we have this upcoming April week, first week of the month, and clearly I want to show you guys the trades the market I'll be looking at. So I have almost 9 pairs I might choose from. So firstly, we have AUD and ZD. This pair was our interest even last week, but we'll still keep on looking at it because based of what I see, you can see on the weekly we are at this level, and if we switch to the 4 hour time frame, you can see we are at this resistance level. So all I'm expecting from this market to do for me is just, and it's almost reacting to this level. All I just want is market to trace back a bit at this zone, then apply my strategy to then sell. Yeah, because this is what I'm looking at on this pair. Then yeah, even on the daily, this is just okay. Yeah, so this is a very nice trade. You can see even the daily is bearish, yeah, and the weekly is bearish. So we're just waiting for this. This is the same structure on the 4 hour. On the 2 hour, you see this market. I really wanted to take this trade, but the only bad part is this is Sunday, and market can up. It's a new week. It can start wherever it wants. However it was, I really wanted this to happen during the other last week. Yeah. Then, but yeah, I'm still interested in this pair very much. Just have to wait and see what it will do for us. But we'll be selling still on this pair. Yeah. What I just want is a little bit of retracement at this zone because of this nice singer. We already have the nice shift at this zone. So but I just want that small pullback to then enter sales. Then NZD card. This is NZD card. Weekly daily we can see we are this daily level. We've now shifted bearish, and we are trading below this zone. So, and the market already rejected this level. So what I need is just a small weak pullback as well to then enter for sales. Yeah, a small weak pullback at this zone. This will probably happen tonight. Yeah, tonight or tomorrow even. But if let's say we miss that zone, we are still just going to wait for this to happen right here. Either we enter at that level or we wait for market to come back at this zone, retest, then continue the sales. You see, so uh it's the same setup, and this can even be the best trade because you see at least to break below from all this noise to then get to the downside. So this is a very nice setup also. A very nice setup actually. All you just have to be is a bit patient. Either we respect this level or respect that level. Either way we'll take the sales. Euro GPP, we have in the weekly time frame, you can see how market closed with a nice bearish engulfing candle. On the weekly time frame, we can see we had this nice bearish engulfing at this level here the other week, and this is the new previous week also. So we are having a new week today, which will start today, the new candle which will start today, and this is what has happened in the daily time frame. You see how this thing looks clean and neat. All we want is that retest at this level. Already we are trading below. You see, we are trading below this zone, and we are still very bearish. So we will take the trade at this zone, and if market breaks below this level here, we can add up more positions. Yeah, we can add up more positions because that's also another strong level. Yeah, let me just do this way here. Yeah, makes sense this way. So This is my setup. So it's either we enter from that level, or if we miss this level and find market is already trading below, we just simply wait for the retest to then sell. But this is a very nice pattern. Yeah, I'm sure you, even a beginner, you've seen this most of the time. Then there's that retest and there's that push to the downside. So these are things I like catching, such pairs, such movements. You see. So this is for Euro GPP. Then we have Euro CHF. This pair was still my interest in last week, if you remember very well. Yeah, so I'm still, and I remember telling you guys that we have to sell from this zone. Just after I saw this double top, I told you that the market has to retest, and you've seen how market has respected from the time I started talking about this push to the downside. We are currently at this zone now. So what I want for this pair to do for us is just that retest to then continue selling buying, because on the 4 hour you can see we are very bearish, but and we are still bearish. So I really wanted to trace back at this zone just to have that clear touch in this zone. Then that would be better for me. But let's say if we wake up and find the 4 hours already broken this structure, then we just simply wait for the retest to push at the retest at this zone here to then sell. Because then this will be our higher high. Yeah, this will be a higher high, and this will be a higher low, and this will be a level. Yeah. So it's either it plays out either way, but I really wanted to tap in back at this zone. Get what I'm saying? Let me show you what I want this market to do. I want this market to do this period. No. Yeah, I want this market to do this thing right here. You see, we have this nice rejection, but it tapped back in again at this same zone. Let me put this in the daily time frame. You see, so I really want, you see, it tapped, rejected, and came back. So I wanted to retrace a bit at this zone also, so we can then confirm the buys. Yeah, because I don't want us to be wicked out, because once we enter these buys, we have to target, this should be our uh this should be our take profit, this structure point at this zone here. So that's why I really want to confirm this pair very much and be patient. I would even want it to like retrace back this zone and break, so it can now retest the level, then add more to the upside. You see, this is what I would even prefer the market to do for us, but we'll just simply adapt whatever it will show us. Yeah, but I really want to wait for that retest, but we'll see. Whatever the market will present, we'll simply adapt. Then we have CAD GPY. I've really been patient with this trade. You can even see we've been pretty much just been consolidating. We've never had the push to the downside since last week, since the past month, I can just say. Yeah, because market broke below, but I've been expecting it to reach this level, but I've not never had the push, and we are still bearish until I see a break above this level. Then my positions will change to looking for bullish markets. But for now, I'm very much bearish with these pairs. So I like the way we've retested this level, our OG level, and we've had a nice daily bearish rejection that has covered 1 2 3 pair now. There's So this is a very nice setup also, but the only legit way I can take this trade is to have this nice pullback at this same level, because you can see this is a double top. If I put the 4 hour time frame, yeah, this is a very double top. This is even a, yeah, this is a very nice double top and a potential head and shoulder. You have the left, right, head, shoulders right there. Yeah, so I need is that retest. Yeah, but the best trade setup would be to wait for this break below at this level here, then sell this market. Yeah, but the reason I even want to enter from here is because I've seen uh we've been rejecting the EMA. We are now below, so this blue line might be something like that. So that's what I'm anticipating for this pair. Or it can easily still pull back to this zone here. But even though it pulls back at this level, I'll still be looking for sales because this is also a stronger level for my entry on the weekly time frame. Yeah, so that's what I'm just waiting for. Once the market gives a start, then we'll simply take the trade. Yeah, then we have NZDJPY. It's the same thing also. I'm just waiting for this break and retest of this level. I simply just want market to break and retest this level to then sell, because at the weekly we had these nice rejections. You can see how price has been rejecting to this zone here. You see our market price rejected to this zone, so I really want to see the push to the downside on the daily. Yeah, the daily candle to have the push, then the retest to then sell up to here. So this is a very nice, and it's cleaner than this pair in some way. If you look at it, if it's cleaner in some way, but at the end of the day, it's the same move we're looking for. So whichever plays out better, we might take it. Yeah, I just like it on the weekly. It's very bearish, but on the daily here we have to wait for that at least change after we break below this zone. So then lastly we have Euro USD, the same setup. We got some sales last week and it's the same move again. I'm just waiting for now that we're here, it's even better because we've had the same structure I was showing you on the previous pair. They have the nice double top, the nice break, retest, then sell. So this is what I want market to do for me at this level again. Yeah, so then if it breaks and retest this level, we can add more sales to the downside, because we are just simply trying to have this market push below this zone so we can look for buys, because this market is it will surely buy at some point. It's just trying to have the final retest to this level here where we can set our buys at this zone here. Just the same way Euro CHF had to sell to get from this level back to this zone here. So I'm expecting the push to the downside on this pair also for this week. Yeah, and so you can clearly see that all these pairs, they are very high standard pairs. If it setups, even though I don't really like keeping a lot, this is too much. But we have a lot of opportunities. What can we do? Just have to adapt and see which one will make the most sense for us. But I really like at least 4 or 5 out of this, but this is just too much. So I don't know what I will do, but I think I we can remove one NZD card or the card JPY, because this is moving NZD JPY and card JPY, because it's just the same move at the end of the day. If you look at it in some way, we just have the same move. Yeah, so and let me try to look at so this is the daily right here. The problem is that the daily on this pair is it's very let's see if we're still bearish or bullish. It's now bullish. It's very bullish because we broke below. Yeah, we are very bullish. That's the only reason. And this one we are bullish, but we can easily turn bearish once we break below this zone. You see, once we just have that closure below this zone here. You see, once we just have that closure below this zone. So I don't know which one we can simply cut off. But all these are very nice setups I would want to take. Very nice trades. Yeah, so let me just remove one of these NZD JPY pairs, just because we are trading the same thing, and I don't want to keep a lot of pairs on this setup on this what on for this week. So just for this, I'll leave card JPY, and yeah, this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So we have 7 pairs we'll be interested in for this week, which is better. This is way better. Yeah. So that's it for this video, and I hope you like it, and I'll update you on Friday how the market will play out for all these zones. So then thank you for watching. Yeah.